Snow really hampering operations out at the airport right now. More than 600 flights have been delayed and another 475 canceled. Airlines hit the hardest out of DIA are SkyWest, Southwest, and Frontier.
On the mountains, we had 3 more ski resorts open up today. Those are Winter Park, Copper Mountain, and Breckenridge. And as we've been showing you, it was a fantastic day for people who actually need the snow. Your reporter of the mountain, Spencer Wilson, caught the first chairs spinning for the season at Breck as those flakes fell down.
Mother Nature dictates when ski resorts up here in Colorado get to actually open up to the public. And for a couple of these areas, they've been a little nervous about when they're going to get these chairs spinning. But thanks to the last week and the storms we've gotten, it is finally opening day.
Nervous because it's been a historically hot and dry October, with few opportunities not only to make snow with snow guns, but hold natural snow into a bigger base. Nervous, like a first-time snowboarder who's never been on a chairlift before.
Never. I'm really good at one-wheeling, so I'm hoping this is like one-wheeling.
But thankfully for Kelsey and for the Coloradans who like to get up on the hill, the snow did finally start falling. 28 inches at Breckenridge since the start of this week.
Started snowing just like a week ago at least.
Yeah. Were you guys getting nervous about it at all? Like, uh-oh, it's not coming?
Yeah. Well, yeah, I was like, hopefully we get more so we could have more runs open and it'd be better because it's crowded.
But you can't blame the Rabbinus skiers and riders. It's been almost half a year for many of them since they've had the opportunity to shred snow like this. And we know every second counts. So getting open right away means everything.
I have to leave around December, so I'm hoping I can get a good early bunch of my season. I love skiing. I try and get like 40 days in a year. So if they can get up top open early, I'll be happy.
And that's a word we've heard a lot at the base. Awesome, stoked, wonderful. It's the excitement that surrounds the return of one of the things that makes Colorado, Colorado.
And if you're happy with the puffy conditions out here for this opening day, you should expect something similar tomorrow. If this snow holds up, which we expect it should, you could be seeing more fresh powder if you come up for the weekend. At Breckenridge, Spencer Wilson covering Colorado First.
It's like pure joy out there for those skiers and snowboarders. Spencer, thank you so much.